How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let me clear it to you first that it is not possible to completely delete all the liked videos on YouTube at once, but there's a trick on how to delete it easily. First things first, open up a YouTube and go to your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on the settings on the top right. Now go to manage all history and now go ahead and tap on interactions. Here you'll be able to see video likes and dislikes. So now here you'll see your liked videos sorted by dates. So you don't have to go one by one. You can delete all the videos liked on the same date at once. You can see April to right there. So if I tap on the cross icon beside it, then all the videos that I've liked on April 2 will be deleted. For this, you have to go date by date and delete all the videos. So this is easier than deleting videos one by one. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.